I close the case. I close the case. I put my guitar away. I put my guitar away. I wipe the guitar clean. I wipe the guitar clean. I take off the strap. I take off the strap. I nod proudly. I nod proudly. I listen back. I listen back. I record my song. I record my song. I finish the song. I finish the song. I express my feelings. I express my feelings. I add a little flair. I add a little flair. I slide my finger. I slide my finger. I bend a note. I bend a note. I play faster. I play faster. I smile at the music. I smile at the music. I sway to the music. I sway to the music. I clap my hands. I clap my hands. I match my voice. I match my voice. I hum the tune. I hum the tune. I sing along. I sing along. I slow down the tempo. I slow down the tempo. I keep the rhythm. I keep the rhythm. I pick single notes. I pick single notes. I follow the melody. I follow the melody. I play a song. I play a song. I start a song. I start a song. I tap my foot. I tap my foot. I count the beat. I count the beat. I repeat the part. I repeat the part. I switch to another chord. I switch to another chord. I brush the strings softly. I brush the strings softly. I strum the strings. I strum the strings. I practice the chord. I practice the chord. I hold a pick. I hold a pick. I curl my hand. I curl my hand. I place my fingers. I place my fingers. I press the fret. I press the fret. I learn a new chord. I learn a new chord. I check the tuning. I check the tuning. I tighten a loose string. I tighten a loose string. I twist the peg. I twist the peg. I listen to the note. I listen to the note. I pluck one string. I pluck one string. I tune the strings. I tune the strings. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I sit up straight. I sit up straight. I put on the strap. I put on the strap. I rested on my knee. I rested on my knee. I sit down on a chair. I sit down on a chair. I hold the guitar. I hold the guitar. I pick up my guitar. I pick up my guitar. Close. Store. Wipe. Loosen. Nod. Review. Record. Finish. Express. Add. Slide. Bend. Speed up. Beam. Sway. Clap. Match. Hum. Sing. Slow down. Keep. Pick. Follow. Play. Start. Tap. Count. Repeat. Switch. Brush. Strum. Practice. Grip. Curl. Place. Press. Learn. Check. Tighten. Twist. Listen. Pluck. Tune. Breathe. Adjust. Wrap. Rest. Sit down. Hold. pick up.